Hi, my name is Amito Esther and this is Pro AV Africa. Today I'm going to be talking about AXTEL headsets. There are various models out in the market and this video is basically meant to help you choose the right ones. Here are a few things to consider when choosing the right headsets. The first thing is compatibility. AXTEL headsets work very well with a wide range of telecommunication devices and solutions, and compatibility includes hardware like mobile devices, computers, desk phones, and gaming consoles. The second thing is the type of environment or ambient sound levels. Ambient conditions are very important when choosing headsets for yourself or your organization. Proper noise cancellation, sound technology, single or double preferences are very important in the experience of users. The third thing is personal preferences. For example, some people prefer headsets that sit lightly on their head and ears, while other people prefer headsets that sit tightly on their head. And that's why AXTEL has various designs to suit user preferences. And over the years, we have realized that subtle changes to the work environment have a huge impact. That's why AXTEL encourages you to personalize our products by playing around with the colors and adding the logo to your products. Now I'm going to be showing you the different models of AXTEL headsets, but before I go further, all the headsets come in two designs. We have the mono headsets that have one earpiece, and then we have the stereo type that has two earpieces. So single earpiece and double earpiece. The first headsets I'm going to be showing you today are the AXTEL MSD headsets, and this is what they look like. This is how they are worn. The MSD headsets are very light and they have a thin headband right here that's made from hardened plastic, and it's very suitable to be pulled and adjusted over the head to adjust comfort levels. The speaker casings are housed by an O-ring support structure that enables the earpieces to be swiveled up, down, and sideways to aid comfort. The MSD headsets are equipped with a 28mm speaker that delivers a wideband audio, and these are the sponges that cover the speaker. They're 50mm in diameter and they're made from soft padded leather, and these aid comfort as well. The microphone boom, this is it. It's made from hardened rubber and it's tracked, which enables it to be very flexible, and it comes standard with a sponge that dampens background sound. The microphone is a noise cancellation mic and it's suitable for moderate to noisy environments. The second model I'm going to be showing you is the V28. V28 also stands for Voice 28, and this is what it looks like. The V28 has a wide headband that rests very firmly on the head, and it's made from durable hardened plastic with a foam underlay that offers padding to the user. The speaker casings are housed by a very thick and strong O-ring support structure that enables the earpieces to swivel from side to side. The V28 is equipped with a 28mm speaker that delivers a high definition audio. These are the sponges that cover the speaker. They're 60mm in diameter and they're made from sponge, and they cover the majority of the ear, as you can see. And they're very comfortable as well. This is the microphone boom. It's made from thick hardened rubber and it's also flexible as well. And it has a microphone that is an advanced noise cancellation microphone, and it's suitable for moderate to noisy environments. The third model I'm going to be showing you is the V40. V40 also stands for Voice 40. The V40 has a wide headband that sits very firmly on the head, and it's made from durable hardened plastic, and it has a leather padding on the underside for extra comfort. The speaker casings are housed by a very thick and strong O-ring support structure that enables the earpieces to be swiveled from side to side. The V40 is equipped with a 40mm speaker that delivers high definition audio, and it's very suitable for music, voice, and media. This is the microphone boom. It's made from thick hardened rubber and it's flexible as well. It has a microphone that is an advanced noise cancellation microphone, and it's suitable for moderate to noisy environments. The fourth model as the Prime series, and this is what it looks like. It has a very thin headband that has a matte finishing, and it's made from ultra durable hardened plastic, and it's very suitable to be pulled and adjusted over the head. And it's also very light. It feels like there's nothing on the head. The speaker casings are solid molded casings joined with a swivel that allows the earpieces to swivel at 90 degrees in either direction. And this casing is made from rubber or plastic composite that gives it a luxurious feel. Personalization is the end game with the Prime series. You get to choose from 14 colors, and you can print your company logo right here. The Prime series is equipped with a 28mm speaker that delivers a high definition audio, and these are the sponges that cover the speaker. They're 50mm in diameter, and they're soft and made from leather. This is the microphone boom. It's made from thick hardened rubber, and it's flexible as well. It has a microphone that is an advanced noise cancellation microphone, and it's suitable for moderate to noisy environments. All of the models I've just spoken about come with various types of cords and connections. You can choose from a USB, 3.5mm jack, RJ11, and a detachable cord. The detachable cord enables you to use a combination of any of the connections. For example, in your office, you can use the same headsets to connect to your desk phone, and then you can go home and use the same headsets and connect it to your mobile phone or computer. If you want to use our headsets in your phone system in your office, you need to know the compatibility, and you can do that by clicking on the link below or checking the link in the description. Last but not least, we have AXTEL wireless headsets. This is the Prime Duo X3. It supports a range of 200 meters, and it can work up to 10 hours without being recharged. It supports Bluetooth and simultaneous connections of 3 devices, and the earpiece of the wireless has a button right here that aids easy picking up and ending of calls. That is it about the AXTEL headsets. For more information, please visit www.axtelheadsets.com. Thank you.